Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 130. And in this column, we're just missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 2 here and a 3 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. No, 1, 6, and 7. Got a 1 here and a 6 here, so this is our 7. The 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this row now we're missing a 2. For this row we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 1. 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 5, 1 here, so 9, 1. For this row now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box now we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this row now we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this column we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box, we're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box, we're just missing a 1. For this column, we're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing a 4. And for this box, we're missing an 8. Finally made it through another one with no pencil. Well, that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.